this is the best part of any project, the final detail work and seeing it all come together. So right now we're pulling together at the warehouse all of the pillows that are coming in, our area rugs, our artwork just arrived. We're kind of getting everything together and rounded up, making sure everything ties well. We have this really beautiful teal blue theme going on. Our front door is the statement of the home and really sets that tone. So we're going to take this all through the house. Tile work in the home that's also this color. So we're going to bring this through, but amazing textures in rugs, beautiful artwork, great pillows, greenery, hints of brass here and there throughout the home with our light fixtures and our accessories. So we're just getting it all put together and it's going to be fantastic. I'm getting 2 chairs ready for our parade home this next week. I loved these chairs, but as you can see, the tacks had chrome plated tacks on them. So I went out and I found brass tacks, and I'm in the process of changing these out on the chairs. So really cool. Take a look at the difference between this half of the chair that I've changed out these tacks and the second half that I have to go. We're here at the warehouse, finishing all the prep for our parade home. We've got 2 trucks we're getting loaded today. I think we're close.
Yes, it's been a lot, but it's been fun, and we're ready to get this thing going.
Exactly. So we'll make our way over to the property. We have 2 trucks, we have a van, and 2 more cars with window treatments, accessories, and all the fun stuff. So we're excited to go.